How are you today? Can you see me?
Yes,
Can you hear me?
yes.
Okay, that's good to go. How are you today?
I'm happy.
You're happy. Oh, you're happy. Can you please tell me why are you happy today? Why?
Because
Because
I love,
what did you do today?
I love piano today.
Wow,
Lesson.
that sounds fun. Nice to see you again. Are you ready to our lesson? Oh, I can see you. I can see you, Olivia. Where are you? Where are you? I can't see you. Oh, there. Oh, where? Where? Oh, there you are. Oh, wow. You look so happy today. Nice to see you again. Okay, Olivia, are you ready to our lesson?
Yes,
Yes, I'm ready.
yes,
Yes,
I'm
I
ready.
am ready. Okay, let's start. Now let's start to page 26. Let's listen to the audio first. Please listen carefully. Thank you.
Track 24. New words.
Listen, point, and repeat. G, G,
Goat.
Goat. Goat.
Good.
Good.
Girl.
Girl.
Gorilla.
Gorilla. Gorilla. H.
House.
House.
Hat.
Hat.
Happy.
Happy.
Hill.
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 I,
I.
Insect.
Insect.
Ill.
Ill.
In. Igloo.
Igloo. Yes. Do you still remember our lesson last time? What
Yes.
did we learn last time? The other day? We learned about goat. Yes, we learned about goat. This one. Good.
Good.
Good. Are you a good girl?
Yeah.
Yes, I'm a good girl. And girl is? If I am a girl, I am a girl or a boy?
Girl.
Yes, teacher is a girl. Very good. And what animal is this? What animal is this? Yes, gorilla. Very good. What is the sound of a gorilla? What is the sound of a gorilla?
Good.
Yes. Yes, gorilla. How about this one? What is this?
House.
House. How many houses do you have, Olivia?
House.
I have
I have two house.
houses. If more than two, if more than one, houses. I have
I have
two.
houses.
Perfect. Well done. How about this one? What is this?
insect,
This one. What is this?
hat,
Hat. When do we use hat? When do we use hat? During cold or sunny?
sunny,
Sunny day. Very good. This one. Happy.
happy,
Are you happy?
yes,
Yes, I'm happy
yes, I'm happy
because I'm studying English
because I study English.
with teacher Luna. With studying English with?
And teacher
Very good. Wow, you're so cute. Your voice is so cute. Next, what is this?
Hill,
Hill. Have you been to hill before?
yes,
Yes. It's so narrow. And how about this one? What insect is this? What insect is this? Praying mantis.
praying mountain.
This is a praying mantis.
This is a praying mountain.
Perfect. How about this one? What is this?
Hill,
Ill. What is the feeling of getting ill? What is the feeling? Fever, colds. Yes. Okay. Have you experienced of being ill or sick? Have you? Yes. Because you're getting a high fever. Yes, a fever, not feeling well. What is this?
in,
In. What's in? What's in the box?
the ball in the box.
Yes, the ball is in the box. Very good. How about this one?
Eagle,
Igloo. Which places do you see igloo?
cold play.
Cold places. Very good. Well done. Now let's listen to the audio.
Track 25.
Listen and repeat the words again. G, G,
G.
Goat.
Goat.
goat,
Good.
Good.
good,
Good.
Girl.
Girl.
girl,
Gorilla.
Gorilla.
gorilla. H,
House.
House.
house,
Hat.
hat,
Happy.
Happy.
Hill.
Hill.
hill,
Hill,
I,
Eye.
Insect.
Insect.
insect,
Insect.
Ill.
Ill.
ill,
In.
In.
in,
In.
Igloo.
igloo.
Very good. Okay, now let's answer. Now you know this already, Olivia. Circle the correct picture. Are you ready?
yeah,
Okay, let's start.
Track 26.
Listen and circle the correct picture.
Number 1.
Number 1,
Gorilla.
number 2,
House.
number 3,
Hat.
number 4,
Insect.
Very good. Well done. You have answered it all correctly. Because of that, I'm giving you a teddy bear, a white teddy bear. Look at their paws. It's pink. Very good. Now let's have circle the correct letter. Okay. What is this in this picture? This is
eagle,
What letter
igloo.
starts with igloo? Letter I. Very good. How about this one? What animal is this? What animal is this?
A goat.
A goat. Very good. Circle the goat. What letter starts from goat? G- goat. Circle the goat. Circle this one. I. How about this one? Hello, mommy. Good evening.
Hello. Hello, Miss
Okay. Circle the letter starts with goat. Very good. Letter G. How about this one? What is this? What is this? What do you see in this picture? This is hill.
Hill.
Very good. What letter starts from hill? What letter starts from hill? Letter H. Good job. Perfect. Well done. Good job, Olivia. Next, what we have here? Now let's have some wrap up. Now let's listen to the audio. Okay, please listen carefully. The audio starts now.
Track 27. Wrap up.
Listen to the beginning sound. Circle the correct picture. Number 1.
G. G.
Gorilla.
Number 2.
Circle the gorilla.
Eh.
Number 3.
Number 2.
Eagle.
Yes, circle the igloo.
Track 27. Wrap up.
Listen to the beginning sound. Circle the correct picture. Number 1.
G. G.
Gorilla.
Very good.
Number 2.
I.
Igloo.
Good job.
Number 3.
Number 3. Ha, ha. Heh, he. What is the answer? Number 3.
Hill.
Yes, very good. Well done. Circle the H. Circle the hill. Excellent. Now let's proceed to the next section. We have listen, write the letter that begins the word.
Track 28.
Listen and write the letter that begins the word. Number 1.
House. House.
Number 2.
In. In.
Number 3.
Girl. Girl.
Number 4.
Hat. Hat.
What letter is number 1? What is number 1? House. What letter starts from the house? Letter H. Right? Letter H. Right, letter H. Go, go, Olivia. Go, go, Olivia. Go, go, Olivia. Go, go. You can do it. You can do it. Go, Olivia. Go, go, Olivia. Go, go. Letter H. Very good. How about number 2? What is number 2?
Girl.
Oh, number 2. This one. What is number 2?
In.
In. What letter starts from in? I. This one. H. This one. Number 2. What is number 2? I. Right letter I. Number 2. Right letter I. Very good. Next, number 3. What letter starts off girl? G. Right letter G. 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 Very good. Wow. Next, let's have the last, number 4. What letter starts off number 4? It's hat. H. 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 Letter H. Right letter H. This one is letter I. This one is letter G. And this one is letter H. Perfect. Well done. Good job, Olivia. Because of that, I'm giving you a toy whale, a blue whale. Very good. Swim, swim, swim. Okay, now let's listen to a story. Now let's listen to a story. Please listen carefully. The audio starts now.
Track 29. Story.
Listen to the story.
A girl in an igloo.
The girl in the
An
igloo.
ill girl in a house.
The girl in
An
the
apple
house.
for an ill girl. A happy girl.
A happy girl.
Very good. Now read the story on your own.
The girl in the igloo.
In an igloo.
And an igloo.
Again, a girl in an igloo.
The girl in the igloo.
Very good. Number 2. An ill
Ill girl.
in a house.
The girl in the house.
Again, an ill
The
girl.
girl in the house.
Perfect. Next. An apple
The apple on the girl.
an apple for an ill girl.
The apple for the ill girl.
An apple
And the apple
for an ill girl.
for the ill girl.
A happy girl.
A happy girl.
Very good. Well done. Now, let's have a video.
What?
Do you like to listen a video?
Yes.
Yes. Let's have the speaking test. Let's have a speaking test.
Speaking test?
Do you see this one?
Maya is number 1, pero ang hirap daw magbayad. Mahirap raw makita ang Maya QR. Ang hirap na.
Okay.
So hard. O, di ba ang hirap?
Listening test.
Questions 1 through 15 are picture questions. Listen and choose the correct picture. Question number 1. It is red. It is round.
What is it?
Question number 2. It is a cow.
Cow.
It looks angry.
Mm, very good. That is the brown angry cow.
Question number 3.
Number 3.
It has many windows.
Mm,
It has wheels.
Yeah, you.
what is it? Oh, this one, a bus. Okay, listen
Question
carefully.
number 4. It is a bird.
A bird.
It is yellow.
Very good. Number
Question
5.
number 5.
Is it picture number 1
It is
or
sitting.
picture number 2? It has long
It has
ears.
long ears.
Which one? 1 or 2? Which one? 1. Picture number 1.
Question number 6.
Number 6. Picture number 1 or
She
picture
is
number 2?
standing. She is wearing a sweater.
Sweater. Oh, is that picture number 1 or picture number 2?
Question number 7. It has a string.
Hmm.
It is round.
It is round. What is it? Very good. A yo-yo.
Question number 8. It is long.
This is long.
You write with it.
What is it? Number 1 or number 2?
Question number 9. Its front is pointy. It flies in the sky.
What is it? Number 1, number 2? Number 2. Very good. Okay, we are done.
Question number
Now let's have our scoring. Okay, let's have your score. Are you ready to your score? Now let's have this one. Olivia. Olivia. Yes, for active listening. Good job. And okay, not this, not this. This is Sophia. Wait. Oh my God. Oh my God. Okay, wait. Here. This one. Active in reading. And doing your task. And a good student, Olivia, helping others. doing on task, participating, and persistence, working hard. But you forgot your homework. Yes, you need to make forgot homework. Don't forget your homework. You will lose 2 points, okay? You forgot your homework. Make your homework next time. Okay. Hello, mommy. She have a homework.
Where can we do the homework through what channel?
Oh, I sent it here through the this one. I send a picture and then you make a video of her.
Oh, video. Oh, I see.
Yes, make like introduction. Hi, good evening, teacher. I'm Olivia. I'm 4 years old and I am
Yeah,
reading
I
a
have made it.
sentence. Oh,
I
yes,
made
but
it.
there is another
Oh,
update homework
oh,
every other day.
oh,
Yes.
okay. I try to find it out first.
Okay, it's
I think.
okay to make a recap. You can
Okay,
send it
thank you.
even it's late so I can make her points again.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, mommy. Oh, it's almost
Okay,
time. That's all for
okay, thank
today.
you.
Thank you,
Thank you.
Olivia. Bye
Okay, thank
bye.
you.
Thank you,
Bye
mommy.
bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. See you
Bye
later.
bye,
Bye bye.
mommy.